I love holiday gifts and entertaining, but let's face it, it can add up to a lot of waste. In fact, one study found that we toss out more garbage during the holiday than at any other time of year. Fortunately, there are steps that we can take to make more cheer and less garbage this holiday season. And today we're sharing 5 ways to celebrate sustainability this holiday season. Now let's get started. One of my favorite tips for a more eco-friendly holiday celebration is to donate or recycle what you can. Once the festivities come to a close, it's time to shift our focus to environmental stewardship. This moment offers a valuable opportunity to make an environmentally conscious impact. After your holiday celebrations, taking just a few minutes to gather up all the wrapping paper, ribbons, and excess packaging and other discarded items can have a significant impact on reducing what ends up in the landfills. Your objective should be to reuse whenever possible and responsibly compost or recycle the remaining materials. For instance, if you've upgraded your electronic gadgets during the holidays, consider donating or properly recycling your old devices. Research from the University of Waterloo shows that the average Canadian generates around 25.3 kilograms of electronic waste each year, including items like cell phones, laptops, and appliances. By opting for repairs or refurbishment, you can contribute to reducing this electronic waste. Another way to make your holiday traditions more eco-friendly is by reimagining them. For those who include candle lighting in their celebrations, consider choosing beeswax candles instead of paraffin wax ones. Beeswax candles are not only cleaner burning and less toxic, but they are also biodegradable, allowing you to compost the leftover wax. Here's another impactful idea. If you have a natural Christmas tree, it's essential to dispose of it responsibly rather than leaving it by the curb. Trees sent to landfills emit the potent greenhouse gas methane. To prevent this, ensure your live trees are recycled or composted. If you're uncertain about how to do this, reach out for a list of local disposal options. Bottom line is, we can still celebrate a fun and festive season without draining our community's resources or sending leftovers to the landfill. But that's not the only way that you can celebrate sustainably. Another idea is to prep your home for winter. Decorate sustainably, cut back on holiday shopping, green your holiday dinner, donate or recycle what you can. There's lots of options available. And for more great ways to reduce your environmental impact, visit our blog. We've posted a link in the caption. Together, we can protect our planet and keep the Caledon and surrounding communities of Orangeville, Brampton, Erin and Halton Hills a clean and beautiful place to live. And remember, we're here to lend a helping hand now or in the new year. This is the perfect time to strategize your next move or set some real estate resolutions with personalized guidance from an expert. Reach out today to schedule a free consultation. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for more Caledon area real estate news and advice. I'm Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty Team and iPro Realty here in the Caledon area. Happy holidays.